Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to make this game called Flappy Bird. It's like a famous game where you click this spacebar and then this bird here jumps. Okay? Now when this bird jumps, when he goes through the pipe, he gets a point. When he touches the pipe, he falls down and it says game over. So let's get started. I already set up the sprites and background, but I'll show you how I got them. So I clicked the paint the paint thing here for the sprites, and then do you know what I did? I went up here, clicked uh clicked the upload costume button, and I just went up and found it. Well, this is what I wanted, so yeah. So I clicked that, and then this thing comes. And then for the pipes, so basically what I did was upload the pipe costume, bend it a bit, and put it here, okay? Then I right-clicked it, clicked copy, then click paste, turned it around, and put it here. So this is how you turn around sprites. You use this button here. Hold and turn it in the direction until it's smooth. Okay, and for the game over, I just dragged this thing, this square, turned it the color black, and then I clicked it, dragged it to here. Okay, then I clicked this text, selected it to red, and put the text box in and type something. And then, yeah, I changed the size, and yeah, that's it. So let's delete this. Okay, for the backdrop, I did the same thing. So I clicked this, I clicked the pink button, I went to here and clicked upload backdrop. Let's just pick some random thing. So I click the backdrop I want. See, now it comes. Well, I don't need all these backdrops. I wonder why they came. Okay, let's just delete the backdrops. Okay, so I just uploaded this backdrop. Pause this video if you want to upload the backdrops, or just pick a blue backdrop, just select a random thing and just use lines for pipes. But if you want to make them exactly like mine, just go on Google, download the sprites. So this is how you do them. So first we go and maybe type Flappy Bird for Scratch, and then I click images, and then I click this, right click it, click save image as, and I just added it to my pictures. But there's a catch. If you upload this here, these black and white gridded squares will pop up. So I just go to this website called remove.bg. So basically what it does, I just click upload image, and then I just select an image. Let me just go and click this maybe, and look what it does. Okay, so that's what it basically does. So yeah, that's how you upload images, and I guess that's it. So let's just start with the code. Okay, now I'll just click when flag clicked, and then I'll click the go to x minus 27, and then the y I'll just turn it into 9, okay? Also for variables, I'll go and drag these two blocks. Set gravity to 0 and set gravity to 0. We'll change one of them to score. Set score to 0 and change gravity by 0. And then, yeah, we'll just click the forever. We'll click the forever block. Then drag, change y by block. Change y by gravity. Okay. And then we'll drag the change gravity by 1. And then we'll drag, well, we get change gravity by -1 actually. And then we'll drag an touching pipe. Let's drag an if block. If touching pipe, then if touching pipe, then we will go and drag block broadcast block. In advance, broadcast message 1, and then we'll drag game type game over. And by the way, if I didn't tell you guys, you have to make these things first. So click variables, click make a variable, then this bar will show up and you type the name and keep it for all sprites. Okay, now let's do another one. Let's do another one. Flag clicked. And when flag clicked forever, if space is pressed, then you will set gravity to 10. Okay? And then we will drag the wait until block here. Wait until not key space pressed. Okay, I guess that's it for this code. So let me show you what this does. Even if you hold the space button, it'll still go down. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the next one. The pipes. Now, when flag clicked, then we'll go and drag a forever block, okay? Let's also drag a hide block up here because if we're cloning this thing, you don't want the actual thing to be there. I tested it before, it caused a bit of glitches. So we'll drag the hide block before and then drag forever. We'll wait 1 second. Let's make it 1.25 maybe, because that way the pipes will start to come. Now we'll drag create clone of myself block. Now we'll drag when I start as a clone block. Okay? We'll drag the show. And then we'll go to X 240. And then for the Y, it will be a pick random block. Minus 100 to 100. Okay. Then we'll repeat until x position is less than 240. Actually, let's make it minus 240. And we'll go in motion and drag x position is less than minus 240. Then we'll change x by minus 5. Okay? Then after that, we'll drag the change score by 1. And then we will delete this clone. And then for the game over sprite, I just went and dragged, I'll just go and drag when I receive game over, show, and then stop all. And then I'll drag another block, the last one. When flag clicked, hide, go to x0 and y0. Okay, I guess it's this one, so let's test it. Okay, so I wasn't paying attention. Okay. Okay, so if you make the time longer, like the weight block over there, which I showed you like earlier, if you change that weight block longer, the longer it'll take to like show the pipes. If you make it like less than a second, the pipes will like join. You have to click really fast or yeah. So I made it 1.25 so it wasn't impossible for the players. Now let's keep going. I really can't do it now. Okay, we press the flag again. Keep pressing space. And we'll wait for the score. Okay, let's do it a few more times to get the hang of it. Okay, I guess that's it. But before I go, like, I was talking about this log. If you like make it longer, the less pipes will come faster, but also if you're like a good gamer, then it'll take a bit of time, so it'll make the game a bit boring. But if you want to like make it hardcore, you can make it less time. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and I'll see you next time.